Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Prasmianti. Nickname 603 600 1210447. Here I will present about on of the assessment of the mycology course, namely a review of the article entitled Biosafety and Metabolic Compost of Endophyte Fungal Medicine Plant in Indonesia. Next, this is review artikel dari jurnal di atas, di mana nama penulisnya di sini ada Eka Sukumati, Abdul Karim, Saraswati Dwiana, Hasanah Natsir, Harningsi Karim, Ahyar Ahmad, Siti Halimah Larikang. Adapun kemudian yang menjadi latar belakang atau interjection, the surge in demand for herbal medicine and natural health producer global has propelled the utilization of medicine plant, particular in development nation where there remain accessible and affordable alternative for treating virus elements with over 50.000 diketahui bahwasanya terdapat 50 plant tanaman spesies worldwide finding application in medicine and cosmetic. Kosmetik yang diproduksi. Jadi di sini ternyata terdapat beberapa tumbuhan yang dimana di sini diproduksi dan dimanfaatkan dalam medicine itu seperti pengobatan dan kosmetik. Traditional medicine continues to play a secular role, especially in ASEAN countries like Bangladesh, China, India, and Indonesia. Which best right biodiversity in Indonesia. Nah, Indonesia ini merupakan negara biodiversitas dengan the realizer on herbal medicine, notably yaitu seperti jamu, is deeply ingrained, leading to large scale industrial production. However, this is clashing the process challenges such as overharvesting, compounded by factors like population growth, deforestation, and climate change, amazing the need for sustainable conservation effort. Next, amidst this challenge and Endophyte fungal present promising funds for biodiversity compost discover. Particularly from Indonesian medicine plant, this microorganism residing with a plant tissue without causing a person harm production and area of biological activity dari substance. Nah, including anti-cancer, antimicrobial, and antioxidant compounds. They're multi-card interesting with host plant over opportunity for novel therapeutic discoveries, addressing the growth need for domestic raw material in Indonesia, particularly industry with safeguarding the nation right biodiversity. This review in their course this significance of exploring Endophyte fungal as a primitive precursor for commercial application. Now, production insight into their permacultural opportunity and their role in sustainable drug discover effort with Indonesian diverse medical landscape. This is Indonesian medical plan. di mana Indonesia Medical Plan ini merupakan Indonesia yang builds an immense diversity of medical plan with approximately 4.000 spesies. Jadi Indonesia ini terkenal akan pengobatan yang diadaptasi dari tumbuhan, di mana diketahui bahwa terdapat 40.000 spesies, yang dimana making it a reservoir of traditional knowledge passed down through a generation of most variable tribes across the archipelago. Nah, this plant play integral roles in location healing process. Elements endemic to their region, over in Steiner, the Batakar trike in North Sumatra, array of his Corsosa synthesis Keiba Keiba pentanra, and its later allows here to address a fever. Nah, with Indonesia trial Java employs variety of herb sauce as agertum coincidence and approach indica for medical purpose. Nah, similarly, the tribe in West Kalimantan for Colocasia esculenta with the Papua people utili Mesodia pendans mer and Astermors simple carpalin. Now, scriven for traditional medicine, opportunity in combating endemic disease like malaria. There's in cons of practically understand the right like the signal of breathing and harness the potential of the medicine flora and both traditional and modern healthy neighbors. Adapun kemudian endofit fungal and there's a bioactivity potential. Jadi di sini ada beberapa hasil yang didapatkan dari beberapa penelitian endofit fungi activity and diversity from Indonesia Medicinal Plan. Di sini di mana ada beberapa komos medicinal plan Indonesia di mana ada mahoni, kemiri, kelapa, jeruk nipis dan lain sebagainya. Nah, di mana endofit fungi unlike mycorrhiza fungi that mainly inhabit the root system of plant, reside with version plant tissue including root, stamens, and leaf. Jadi they establish a symbiotic relationship with their host plant, unlike horizontal fungi, which mainly reside in the root system of plant. Nah, endofit fungal colonies and entreplane both intercalary and intercellular. The structural change in endofit rule allows fungal communication indicates for in decrease of colonization. This colonization pattern is observed in intracellular section. The other cortical region and the epidermis of plant root endofit have been detached both advancing to the root. Jadi selanjutnya di sini the next symbiosis relation between plant and endofit fungal complex interplay shaped by covulation and general complication. Facility successful colonization and long-lasting exclusion. Endofit fungal employ various strategies to overcome the play diverse medicine including. Di sini lagi ada beberapa gambar dari tabel penelitian endofit fungal isolation from various plant and different ecosystem. Endofit fungal exhibits remarkable diversity and adaptation, being isolation from various plant environment, well from a region to tropical woodlands. The composable of endofit communication variable depending on environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, and soil natural level, influencing this type types and modes of secondary metabolic pollution by the plant. Harm-meningitis, the planters of endophyte fungal after production of bioactivity composed from the initial plant with mitigation the impact on biological resources. The Stegel not only address the challenge of limited raw material for herbal medicine, but also underscores the importance of sustainable utilization and conservation of plant biodiversity. Next, endophyte fungal reception promising a venue for the discovery of secondary metabolic influences by their host plant, a very reliable source of bioactivity compounds with significant medicinal potential. By isolation endophyte fungal from diverse plant organism resources can identify bioactivity occurrent like production session metabolic often in specific pen part sites of first fluid level stem and root in Indonesian or lack from its abundant medicine plant long utilized in traditional medicine. Will certain general like Fusarium and Clostridium make as domain endophyte in Indonesian medicinal plant, endophyte fungal exhibit fertility and not showing host specialty from particular plant host organism. The diversity of endophyte fungal isolation from Indonesian medicinal plant on the close the potential as like source of industry signalia bioactivity compounds driving a growth research efforts in the village. Ini beberapa hasil dari tabel pengembangan ketiga endophyte fungal isolation from Indonesian medicinal plant. Di sini dia dapatkan beberapa spesies, itu ada Singapore rose, ada Murica lime dan lain sebagainya. Next itu Indonesian medicinal plant endophyte fungal production antibiotik. Nah, antibiotic plant vital role in controlling oxidative stress with the boy with a body and certain pioneously composed like flavonoids exhibit a potential activation of proactive their acclimative ability to scarce from radiation. Endophyte fungi action will be medicine plant know to production value of antioxidant simultaneously. Di sini so promise sexuality exactly from different plane of tomato source rhizosome, root level and stem have a demonstration antioxidant activity with special fungi like Cleosinus staphyla, Acreminos sp and Penicillium sp. Iridium proactivity, the fusion proactivity and endophyte fungal as a pollution source of antioxidant contribution to the exploration of natural remission of recombinant activity stress elevation diseases. Ini adalah hasil pengamatan keempat, tabel keempat, antioxidant compounds production by endophyte fungal from medicine plant. Next itu fungal endophyte production antibiotic. The activity flavor of different in years navigation the expansion of novel and cost applicated source with potential antidiabetic protection such as endophyte student have rivals promoting a fungi assessment with various claims. For intention, parent community companies apart from girls give stem torque endophyte fungal similarity. Fungi a force of bioactivity companies in the search for activity anti-diabetic again. Jadi yang menjadi kesimpulan atau conclusion dari penelitian artikel dari review dari artikel ini yaitu mana traditional plant-based medicine has been an integrated part of Indonesian culture across the diversity archipelago, exploring their potential medicine property to the host of endophyte microorganisms, particularly fungal in this context emergency as a promising strategy to safeguard in preservation of the value plant species. And of it fungal heart create a permission to their ability to synthesis compounds similarity to those production by their host plant alongside a spectrum of bioactivity relevant to various temperature application. Many of Indonesian medicine plants have been integrated, yielding endophyte fungal with dominant strategic antioxidant property, anti-cancer, potential anti-diabetic compounds, and antibacterial activity. Consequently, this endophyte fungal actively with a medicine plant result a wellspring of biosynthesis compounds with the potential to save the functional pharmaceutically. So, baiklah, thank you. Terima kasih atas terima kasih telah menonton. Thank you for watching.